What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fresh Sabatos coming at you live from the M340. How we doing? Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, man. Can't complain. We are gonna hop right into this video. Clearly you guys see the title. You already know what we talking about. I feel like every video, bruh, where's the G? Every video, man, like, damn, come on, guys. Like, y'all know damn well if I had an update, I would give it to you guys. Like, this is content. Like, y'all know that I get paid for this shit. So if I had updates on the G, I definitely would be posting it. I know it's been a while. I know the updates have been really slow. There really hasn't been any updates. Like, it's not my fault, guys. Shit happens, and sometimes you just gotta deal with it. There's not too much you can really do about the situation besides just be patient, you know what I mean? But now that we are making this video, the car should almost be done. And he just basically told me Saturday, come check it out and just let me know what you think so far. If everything works out and comes out how I envisioned, then definitely this will be one for the books. This car is gonna be legendary, I promise you guys. So yeah, man, once this paint is finished, then you know, the motor can go back in, but the car does still need fab work. So I talked to my fab guy, and I don't know, bruh, he's not really sounding too convincing as far as like being able to just like give him the car when this thing's done getting painted and him being able to actually work on it and finish the shit. It just his message just didn't sound that promising. It basically sounded like, bro, we'll, you know, get to it when, you know, I have some free time, and you know, we just gotta find somewhere to do it. And I was like, oh, bro, say less. Like, you could do it at the shop. I got the warehouse, bro. I didn't even get a reply after that. So I'm like, man, this shit's about to be round 3, bro. The shittiest part about it is it has so much fabrication work that's finished that was very, very expensive. Like, I can't just drop it and have someone else finish it, because I don't know if you know how fabricators work. Most of the time, fabricators don't like working off of other people's work. Like, they're gonna want to redo the whole thing. So I don't really know. I mean, if it really comes down to it, hopefully the things that I need, I could just find someone else to do it. I just have a really bad feeling that this fab work is not gonna get completed when I think it's gonna get completed. We should be there in about 5 minutes, and yeah, man, we're gonna check this thing out. Hopefully I like what I see. All right, guys, you ready to see the color? You thought, yo, I'm not gonna lie, this shit looks high-key insane. Like, if y'all seeing what I'm seeing right now, probably shit your pants. This shit is busting, capital B. Sheesh, bruh. The master man over there. The man with the plan. Everybody's gonna come in. I want the same paint as Fresh Cakes. They're gonna hear the price. We're like, oh, never mind. Can we do black? Nah, this shit is gonna be breaking the internet for sure. 1,000,000%. Even if I take the RB out and just put a D back in here, this shit gonna break the internet. Probably can't see because y'all ain't seen the color of the bay yet either. But the bay is similar-ish color to the car. It's definitely different. Same kind of vibe. But I wanted the bay to be different, so that way, you know, draw some different attention to it. You don't gotta fuck wipe it, I don't care. Y'all good. It's all gravy. They gonna see this shit in black and white. It's gonna look the same. Yeah. Bro, it looks so freaking good. It's not sanded, buff, paint corrected, like none of that shit yet. It just looks so crazy. Just the color in general is insane, bro. Couldn't have picked a better color at all. Definitely couldn't have picked a better color. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for that. Like, I was gonna wait until, you know, the car is almost done to show you guys the paint, but there's no, you know, point in that. So he basically told me by the end of the week it should be ready for pickup. So when we actually pick it up, then that's when I will do the reveal on the color for you guys. Yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. What up? happening with y'all? We back here at the Shoe Palace. What's on the feet? Okay, we got the flippy slippies on today. We are on a whole different day, but this is pretty much a continuation of the G35 video. I know it wasn't much of an update. I just pretty much gave you guys a quick walk around. There's not much for me to say about the paint. When I pick it up to actually bring it back to the warehouse, then I'll definitely reveal the color to you guys. You know, it's been far too long anyways. The paint was not supposed to take this long. We had some issues with getting the paint in the first place. It took about 3-4 months just to get the paint and move into like 2 or 3 different shops. So the car was just being like juggled around from here to there, and it was just a lot of setbacks with the paint. But basically, you guys seen it. The whole car is pretty much painted as of right now. I think the only things left that he needed to paint was the front bumper, the fenders, the rear bumper, and the side skirts. I think that is all that is left. I was gonna color match the hood and the trunk, but I figured I would leave those carbon just because of the lack of paint that we have. If we were to do the hood and the trunk, there would have been like absolutely no paint left at all. So maybe down the road I'll order some more, and I'll just probably end up doing the hood. I think it would just look really good just because the paint is so freaking nice, bro. Like when you guys see this color on the car, I personally don't think I've actually seen a G35 in that particular color. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure there's someone out there that's done it. I just haven't personally seen it. I mean, I haven't really gone out of my way to look. Definitely gonna be one of a kind. It bothers me so much because the vision is there. I know everything that I want on it. I know how I want it. It's just so far away though. Like my vision is here and it being done is way over here. So realistically, now that the paint is pretty much completed, it's really gonna come down to the fabricator. My main concern right now, but the fabricator pulled the oil pan off like over 2 years ago because it needed a custom oil pan, which I have here. So here is the custom oil pan for the G. Yeah, I don't know. I asked him if he actually test fit this to see if it worked, but I haven't heard word yet. So I don't even know if this oil pan that was made even works with the setup. And we also have this huge ass, I think it's a 7576 precision. Yeah, chunky boy. That turbo is definitely good for like 1100. Am I gonna be pushing that kind of power out of the car? Hell no. As of right now, that's pretty much my concern. Just the oil pan setup. I don't know. I haven't even got an answer from him if he test fitted. Like I don't even know if it fits. And the only way to know is to put it on the engine and then put the engine in the car. But from what George was telling me when we took the motor out, he was saying that there's no way that oil pan is gonna work. So that's one thing. I have no idea if this oil pan is gonna fit. If it doesn't fit, then either something with the kit is gonna have to change. Like the motor is gonna have to be sitting higher, which is gonna change everything. That's possibly gonna change the exhaust manifold fitment, the intercooler piping, like all that stuff is gonna change if the motor actually moves. And that's gonna be like a whole nother headache that I have to figure out later on. Like truthfully, if it doesn't work, then like I don't know what to do, bro. Like I don't know what to do. It's just gonna need another custom oil pan, or it's just gonna need some heavy modifications to the kit, and shit's just gonna have to change. There's just no way in hell I'm gonna have someone redo the fab work, basically redo what was already done. There's just no way. Like at that point, I will just call it quits. I'll keep the shell and I'll just put something else in it. Just bear with your boy, man. Stick with me through the journey. It's gonna be the same thing like with the S15. You guys remember this car was completely gutted, nothing inside, looked like complete shit. It was just a hot mess. Look at it now. Full interior, clean as hell, running absolutely perfect, no issues. You know, this is same thing. You guys will be getting another update very soon here when I pick it up. 100% reveal the color to you guys. So I can't wait for that. So definitely stay tuned. So since we are here, I'll do like a very quick walk around just so you guys can see like how clean the car actually is and like what's done to it. Car is silver underneath. The paint is honestly not in bad shape. If you guys don't like this color, you can pull it off, rock the paint. I would just say it just needs like a nice paint correction. We have custom OEM headlights that were blacked out. Amber delete, has demon eyes. We got the red emblems. OEM, don't forget. We have the inky Intio 3s that I custom powder coated bronze. Wheels look very, very nice on the car. Brand new tires, carbon top. We have HKS coilovers on it. Has an HKS single exit exhaust. And that's really it, guys. Can't really see too well. Has AP1 seats, full interior. Really clean. It has brand new hub bearings in the rear, brand new hubs. Has new axle spacers. No leaks, no issues. Car runs 100%. Trans has no grinds. Everything is flawless. Car is ready to go, guys. So it has no issues. This thing is ready for whatever you want to do with it. Boost it, track it, whatever you want to do. Sell it. So if you guys want your chance at possibly winning this car, don't miss out. Like always, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Catch you in the next video.